How to use Viggle AI. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Viggle AI. Now tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now wait for some time. Now simply tap on download app. Now click on download anyway. Now go to details. Now wait for the download to complete. Now after downloading, simply tap on the APK. Now tap on settings. Now give the permissions and tap on install. Again wait for some time until the app is being installed. After installing, simply tap on open. Now simply tap on skip. Tap on skip again. Now tap on the plus icon. Now click on sign in with Google. Now tap on skip or tap on next. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select any option. Tap on album, click on next. Now give the permissions and select the photo. Now select the motion video. Tap on templates. Now select any motion. Now tap on generate to generate the video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.